So let's talk about how to make money as a writer without using Amazon KDP. When I was a little girl, my dream was to be a full-time author, but I wanted to write romance novels. In 2012, I published my first romance novel, but when I sold copies, I was broke, and there was no way I was gonna be able to do it full-time, and so I actually quit that niche. I transitioned, I started doing spiritual development, daily devotionals, things like that. Then I went into personal development, then business development. Now I teach authors, and finally, full circle, I'm going back to writing Christian romance novels. But what am I doing differently this time than I did the first time that's actually going to make me money? That's what I want to share in this video, because if you want to write books for a living or just as a side hustle, there's a specific strategy that you need to use in order to actually make money at this, not just put it for sale on Amazon KDP, make a sale and just make a few bucks here and there, because that's really hard to make a side hustle that way. So the very first step for how to make money as a writer is to choose your medium. Choose your book medium. In today's world, there are so many different ways that you can sell your book to people. You can do printed copies of your book. You can do digital ebook copies of your book. You can do Kindle EPUB files of your book. You can do audiobooks. You can do video books. We have so many different ways to do this now, but I want you to choose one type of format that you are going to master, because then you'll become known for that online. So for my Christian romance novels, I am doing my books purely as audiobooks. They will not be available as ebooks. They will not be available as printed books. They will only be available as audiobooks on my own app, on my own book listening app. And I'm so excited. It's like my own version of Audible. And I really want to master that space, because I want for the people who like that type of medium to come to me in order to get Christian romance novels. So choose how you want to be selling your books, because you're going to need to master that format.
I wanted to show you some of the different ways that I have my books available. So this is God That Would Grow University. If you're a GDU student, you have access to my PDF books. This is How to Write a Book and Make Money Online. This one is How to Start a T-shirt Business. This is the Go and Share Tell the Gospel book. This is the Purpose Profit Formula. This is the 5 Ps. This is the Instagram marketing ebook. So all of this is available in the God That Would Grow University platform as PDF files. Like literally they can just go through and read everything. Obviously Unleash Your Legend is here. All the books are just here. So you can have them as PDFs. I also have my audiobooks available on the God That Would Grow TV platform. So on GGTV, you can listen to the books, not read the PDF files. And this is just a different format. So Work Life Faith Balance is here, Finding Your Purpose, Confident Woman, Achieve Your Goals, Motivation Minute. So basically all they would have to do is just click on it, and then the playlist will completely play all the way through. So you can just listen to the audiobook. And these I think are in my voice. I can't quite remember. And then here on godthatwoldgrow.com, I have my print on demand books. So currently the God That Would Grow Victory Bundle is my current print on demand book. It comes with the prayer journal, comes with the prayer vision board, the prayer affirmation cards, and the prayer journal daily planner. And this is just available as a print on demand bundle. So it has the digital components to it, but it's printed. So those are 3 different formats, but all of them are books. So you can choose whichever format you want to serve your audience online.
The second step for how to make money as a writer without using Amazon KDP is to build your audience of readers in that niche. Build your audience of readers in that niche. And when I say build your audience, I mean the type of books that you write. Build an audience of people who like to consume those types of books. So for me, I'm doing audiobooks that are Christian romance novels. So guess how I'm building my audience? I have written a free Christian romance novel that's an audiobook, and I'm going to give it away for free in exchange for people's email address. That allows me to build an audience of people who like audiobooks that are Christian romance novels, and I have direct access to them because of my email list. So build your audience of people inside of that niche. Whatever type of book you want to sell, create a free copy of that. So let it be a micro book. My free audiobook is not that long. It's like maybe 4 hours long or something like that. And traditionally an audiobook could be 10 to 12 hours long. So make a shortened version of it and then give it away for free in exchange for somebody's email address. You're going to set up something called a squeeze page, a one-page website that somebody can enter in their email address to get your free lead magnet. If you don't know how to set this up, watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge where I show you how to do it step by step. Go to christianbusinesstoolkit.com.
I just wanted to quickly show you, this is one of my most popular lead magnets here at Got the Wood Girl. When I was in the personal development niche, I gave away the free Find Your Purpose toolkit. It included the free Find Your Purpose ebook, the journal, the video training, and the devotional. And at the time, I was very heavily invested in selling personal development ebooks and personal development devotionals. So that's why I was giving away a personal development ebook and a personal development devotional. It literally built me up the exact type of audience that I was trying to sell to. So when you are building your audience, think in terms of what can you give away to somebody that will attract them to your email list, but also put people on your email list who want to purchase the types of books you want to sell.
And then the third step for how to make money as a writer without using Amazon KDP, now that you build your audience, create your book offers and sell it to your audience. Create your book offers and sell it to your audience. This part is the part that makes us actual money. We have to be able to learn the skill set of sales. And there's a lot of ways to sell online. I used to be terrible at sales. I'm gonna be really transparent with you. When I first became an entrepreneur in 2008, I was 22 years old, started my first business, I was awful at sales. Now, praise God, all glory to Jesus, I'm pretty good at it. And the reason why is because I learned it. I am not a natural salesperson. I had to learn how to sell because there are a lot of different ways to sell. Russell Brunson has perfect webinar formula. Jeff Walker has product launch sequence. Ryan Dice has the invisible selling machine. Oh my goodness, Frank Kern has the cash machine sequence. There's a lot. God the Wood Girl and Author School, I teach you my 20-step sales letter formula. There are so many different ways that you can sell that all work. You just have to master a system. So I recommend that you figure out all the different ways that you can sell to your book audience. So like I said, I have 20-step sales letter formula. I teach it through webinar sequence and then I present my offers that way. But so many different ways that you can do this step by step. You just have to choose your formula. I'm so excited to show you how to build your website quickly using AI. A huge shout out to hostinger.com. They have sponsored today's video and they've given me a discount code for you guys. Go to hostinger.com/godlywoodgirl. Go ahead and pick your plan. I love the business plan. You get multiple websites and the best thing, 0% transaction fee. So when you make a sale, you actually get to keep it. So go ahead and click choose plan. And then what I love about Hostinger, the longer the period that you choose, the less you'll pay each month. So if you do the 48-month plan, oh my goodness, look at this. Like if you were on Shopify, it would be $29 per month, no matter how long you're on there. I love that about Hostinger. They reward your longevity. And you'll also get free additional months included when you do the longer period plan. And then over here where it says have a coupon code, click that and type in Godly Wood Girl and shout out to Hostinger. They gave me a 10% off coupon exclusive for you guys. Just put in Godly Wood Girl and it'll take 10% off your order. So go ahead and click continue. Once it takes you to the AI website builder, I am so excited to show you how easy it is for you to sell your book using Hostinger. They make everything so quick because of this AI website builder. So first things first, put in your brand name. So I will put Stephanie Rodness. And then your description, here is where you are starting to sell. So just put your brand elevator pitch. I write personal development books that teach women of Christ how to step into their God-given purpose. And I sell those books as digital ebook bundles. So I'll just put just that little thing. And then once you put anything about sales, store, it's going to add your online store to your site. Go ahead and keep this selected and then click create a website. And you are about to see why it has never been easier to start selling our books as authors online. Hostinger makes this process so quick. Look at this. I have a website. You see how fast that was? I have a website just like that. So all I have to do is click continue over here. Now it's going to take you to your store manager. So go ahead and add your book. So click add product. Mine is a digital ebook, so I'll click digital, but if you have a physical one, click that. And then Hostinger will write your sales copy for you. Use the product generator AI. So I'll click here and then I'll select my book cover. So it's uploaded. It's literally creating the text for me. Yes, it's creating it for me, praise God. And it's going to generate it. Now, discover The War of Purpose by Stephanie Rodness, a powerful guidebook designed to ignite your potential and reveal the life you truly deserve. Look at this. You'll uncover 7 exclusive strategies to break free from stagnation, unlock your true calling,
and confidently transform your future. Oh my goodness. So go ahead and use sales letter formula to set up your book. I'll sell this for $27. And then here's where you'll upload your digital file. And I like to set my download link for 30 days. And then I like to turn off show related products until I have more products on the store. Once you're done, click save. Then it's going to take you to your back end of your product manager. You'll see Hostinger's AI created these other bundle ideas for you. So just select them and delete. Excellent. And now up top on the right here, click edit website. Now you're on the home page. Hostinger is what you see is what you get. So you click and edit, click and edit, click and edit. Look at this. It already has my book here. I love it. Yeah, that's it. You just click and edit, click and edit. So really quickly, I'm going to click here, click edit section, section color. And I want to grab the color from this book. If you have your brand board, even better. So go ahead and pick that color. Excellent. And then I want to go back to my home page. I want to go ahead and modify all this to match that as well. So I might actually get rid of this and click add section. I'll maybe select this one instead. So I'll click here, hit delete. And then here, you guessed it, I'm going to go ahead and upload my book. Upload the book cover, hit select. Excellent. Now under style, click reset image proportions. Now it fits your whole entire book. If you want it smaller, Hostinger is what you get. So you can literally drag and drop. You can grab the corner and you can change the sizing that way. I can go drag this up. All of this is customizable. It's absolutely amazing. So in here, I'll click edit section and then I'm going to go to image, add image. Go to free images. Yes, Hostinger provides you stock images, my love. So I'll say woman achieving goal, something simple like that. So just scroll down looking for a woman. I love that there's so many fitness photos here. It's fantastic. I'm just looking for one that's going to match that. Oh, she's perfect. That's going to match this coloring. Excellent. Love this. Then I'll select here. Go ahead and click background color and you can change this. So maybe I'm going to make this my orange and make this text white. How pretty is that? And I'll just delete this. I'll click edit button here, link to, select page, and then select your product. And then under style, you can also change the color to your branding. Like, isn't this so cool? Hostinger is what you see is what you get. That's what makes it so amazing. If I wanted this to be a little bit smaller, I can do it like that. Oh, I love this. It's gorgeous. Now here, personal development books shop now. I will keep this. Just here, I will probably click edit section, color, and change my color to my branding. Oh, beautiful. And here I'll click edit image, replace image, free image. I'm looking for black and white photo of books. You guys can see the aesthetic that I'm going for here. Here we go. This is excellent. Add to page. Beautiful. This one, click edit button. You're changing this again to your shop. And then I'm again changing the color to my orange so it's nice and branded. Look at this. Look at this branded website. So they have the book here, but I actually want you to do this as a singular book. So click add section, online store, click single product, boom. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And actually I'm going to move this section up. So it goes straight from here to the purchase and then to shop now. Then I'll keep this here. Always keep your email form because it's important to always make sure you're growing your email list. Down here, again, Hostinger is what you see is what you get. So I'll just delete the things I don't need. Click edit form here, button. And I'm just going to change this button color to our orange, make it branded. That's it. Now let me go over to the shop page. Let me just get rid of this section here. Excellent. Go to the about page. Excellent. That's good. Let me just delete this section here. I'll get rid of this because I don't need these. Excellent. And then, oh, let me connect this button. Of course, I almost forgot. Click page, select your book, and contact form. I always recommend keeping those email forms are really important. And then you would just go ahead and put your email address here. So once you're all done, look how beautiful this is. It took just a couple of minutes. Once you're all done, click save, and then go ahead and click preview up top here and preview your website. Preview your website. Isn't that beautiful? We made this in just a couple of minutes. That's it. The only thing I want to change is this button to orange, and that's it. Let me go back to editor, click here, click edit section, click button, change this to orange. Good to go. Beautiful. Once you're all done, you just have to hit go live up here and you are ready, my love. Hostinger makes it very simple for you to list your book for sale. You don't have to let this take you forever. It can literally take just a couple of minutes. Go to hostinger.com/godlywoodgirl. Use discount code godlywoodgirl at checkout to get 10% off your entire hosting plan.
Once you've chosen your formula, your job is to scale 10x every single month what you did the previous month in order to continue making money as an author. You can make money as a writer, you just need to have a system in place. And if you need help getting started, I have an amazing author school I created for you that shows you how to do this step by step. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the Godly Girl Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ, writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the God Would Grow Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new God Would Grow Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit ChristianAuthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. Don't forget to watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge, where I'll show you how to get started with your book business online. Go to ChristianBusinessToolkit.com. And in the meantime, don't forget to watch this video for even more resources to help you step into your purpose as a faith-based author even faster. I can't wait to see you there.